Hello, my name is Junaid Ahmed Fasdi. I'm recording this video for demonstration of 8th exercise in the Case Tools lab. The exercise is reverse engineering. So reverse engineering in simple terms is process of reaching to the source of any program from the program codes that we have in our hand right now. Uh, Reverse engineering in terms of case tools can also be referred to as we can reach back to the class diagram that we use to generate the classes and codes that we are using for the product. This can be done for two main reasons. One, to verify that the system created is bug free. The class diagram that we use to create the codes matches the class diagram which was engineered in the reverse manner from the codes that we have generated. If both the diagrams match, there are no bugs. Otherwise, there are very high chance that there is a bug in the program. Besides, if there is a change in the structure of the product that we are creating, we can use reverse engineering to update the class diagram that we use to reach to the point that we are at right now. So basically, for doing reverse engineering, we need the codes in any basic implementation language. So consider that we have codes in Java language, and we have to just right click in our working space, go to Java, select reverse engineering. From here, we have to go to the Java files from which we will be creating the class diagram. So in this folder, we have these 4 Java classes. We have to add all the classes for reverse engineering and click next. The class diagram that we want is to be generated in the design model. So we select design model, click next and run. So now we have successfully generated the class diagram from the Java codes that we had. Address and person in the class diagram from which the class diagram that we considered for creating the codes are actually attached, but that was a normal association, and professor and students are subclasses of the person. So here the inheritance symbol or the generalization association will be specified, but the normal association will not be specified, even though the classes are created properly with all the attributes and functions mentioned here. So using the steps specified in the procedure through which we are supposed to create the codes, we have created it. And before we do the reverse engineering, we have to make sure that for the file, the header files mentioned here are in the exact order that the system, the software wants it to be. StarUML requires the header files or the basically the properties of the file to be mentioned in this manner. They all are comment, they won't affect the codes, but it will be necessary to create the classes and connect them in this diagram. So using all the steps mentioned and all the changes that we were supposed to make to the codes and generate the class diagram back, we have generated it, and the class diagram matches all the attribute changes or the function changes that we did in the code. I hope the method and the steps explained in the video are clear. Thank you.